Good afternoon, guys. This is Dylan here again at Mad Vapes here in Statesville. I'm going over the new Squonk kit we just got in. It's by Geekvape. It's a GBox 200 watt. Comes with a radar 4-post RDA. Check this guy out. It's pretty wild looking. It's got your each post. It's got it different angled, tilted back towards you. These guys are really cool. Probably going to be interesting to build on. It's got side adjustable airflow. This guy comes with the chuff cap, and it also comes with a little tiny tip you could put on as well if you don't like the wider chuff. But these guys go all the way up to 200 watts. They build down as low as a 0.05. They'll read coils as low as a 0.02, so you could use this thing for an ohm reader. It's pretty good. You've got your Squonk bottle. It's pretty easy to take out and fill up. It's pretty simple. It just pops out of there. Fill it with juice and just put it right back on. But it takes two 18650s. Like I said, it goes all the way up to 200 watts. This guy's simple to use. It's literally 5 clicks on, 3 clicks to get into your settings menu to change your temperature control, monitor your puffs, and all that cool stuff. They're pretty nice. We've got a couple different colors. We got the red and black. We've got a black and red. I believe we have a solid black as well. But you guys should come down and check them out. They've also got some extra stuff in the box as well. This is what I thought was pretty cool. It struck my eye. It's got an extra Squonk bottle. Comes with your charging cord. It's got replacement O-rings. But this charging cord is what I thought was really cool. It's a USB, just like everything else. Comes with a fancy cover on it. But this guy actually has an iPhone attachment to it, or you could pull it apart and you have an Android attachment, so you can charge your device. This is really cool. I just about buy this device just for the charging cord. It's got me that excited. But we got these guys in a couple of different colors. Everybody's been wanting some Squonk boxes, so you guys should come down and check us out. And have any comments, list below. You guys have a wonderful afternoon and enjoy the rest of your weekend.